12 minutes 50 seconds per kilometer. Split pace 12 minutes 48 seconds.
Hello, it's Kelly Timecat again. Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Eve and I thought I'd record a small blog just to show some photos from my latest walks and Whamageddon, which I sort of participated in this year. Well, it just happens if you're aware of it. You're conscious of Last Christmas, the song by George Michael. From the start of December, you become aware of when you first hear it. So I suppose everyone who is aware of it can decide to play, not really needing to do much to play, except note down when you actually hear that song, the original song from Christmas 1984. Once you hear it, you get sent to Whamhalla, and that's it, you're slain, you're out of the competition. I suppose this year is the first year I've really been aware of it and thought, okay, let's see when I end up hearing it. And it happened at 22:11 or maybe 22:10 on Friday the 16th of December. I lasted 15 days, 22 hours and 10 or 11 minutes, and I was walking through Berkeley Square in central London when a cycle taxi rode by. Quite a few of these rode around central London looking for fares, and they broadcast music to try and attract people. There it was, that song coming out across the airwaves. So I made a note of it. I actually posted on my Facebook. Several people reacted because they've been playing along. One or two of them had just been slain days before that. Today I'm reminded of that because I noticed another friend had just been caught out just hours before the competition finishes. She almost made it through. If you actually reach Christmas Day, you've won. You've got these 24 days. And Christmas Eve, it's just a shame if you make it this far and then end up hearing that song. I heard it almost 2/3 of the way through the 24 days when I got taken out, so to speak. I think I'll be playing it from now on. There's various other things. There's Apoguealypse, which is Kirsty MacColl and the Pogues singing Fairy Tale of New York. And for me, Friday 16th, that was a bad day for getting slain as such, because I heard that being played on the radio when I was working in the office. I was just walking down the corridor and recognised the song, and that was that. Probably other ones. There's quite a few well-known songs from the 80s, the 70s, I imagine. I don't know if Merry Christmas by Slade, maybe that counts somewhere. There could be quite a few other games like that. Maybe songs from the 90s. I think the song by E17 is one of the most popular Christmas songs. At the moment, Lad Baby keep getting number one. This is the 5th year in a row, 5th consecutive year. And they've overtaken the Beatles. That's great. It's for a good cause. It's to raise money for food banks and food poverty in this country. Food aid. All the best to them. Well done for getting number one. Let's just ask, what's your favourite Christmas tune? The other thing today, we had a traditional Finnish meal with family members, with latke and salmon and leek in a pie. It was a great meal, loved it. It was great catching up with family members. And then I had a lovely walk in the North Wales countryside. 5 kilometres, are not huge, and I managed to complete it without getting wet. That was the result. That was my Christmas Eve, and Christmas Eve in a way is the biggest day traditionally if you've got Nordic connections. If you celebrate anything around this festive period, then happy holidays or Merry Christmas or all the best for whatever festival you celebrate. And thanks for watching. Speak again soon. Hope you enjoy the pictures from the walks that I've taken, especially on Christmas Eve and today, Christmas Eve. That's it. Bye for now.